अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स के लेसन नंबर 1 और लेसन नंबर 2 के पास्ट 5 इयर्स पेपर्स के रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज जो हैं उनको हम देखेंगे और हम उनकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सेंटेंस नंबर 1 है, एट द बिगनिंग चिप्स डिसिप्लिन वाज नॉट रिलायबल। रिलायबल का मतलब होता है डिपेंडेबल, ठीक है, काबिल एतबार। चिप्स assumed scowl in the first class. Scowl means frown, गुस्सा। Chips was suffering from anno domini. Anno domini means old age, बुढ़ापा, ठीक है, और ये important है because you can see the line Rawalpindi AJK Bahawalpur Rawalpindi Sargodha. Decent little beggars individually but as a mob. Mob का मतलब होता है crowd, मजमा, ठीक है, और ये रावलपिंडी गुजरांवाला मुल्तान सरगोधा में आ चुका है। Weatherby himself was very fatherly and courteous. Courteous का मतलब polite, soft. Mrs. Wickett's house was ugly and pretentious. Ugly means dirty, बदनुमा, ठीक है, और ये लाहौर बहावलपुर साहिवाल में आ चुका है। सेंटेंस नंबर 7 है, he remembered the day of his preliminary interview. Preliminary मतलब introductory, ठीक है, पहला आगाज वाला, और ये फैसलाबाद और लाहौर में आया है। Brookfield is an old foundation. Foundation means institute, institution. The boys were implacable, in, implacable. Implacable means unforgiving, और ये बहावलपुर फैसलाबाद, ठीक है। Weatherby was fatherly. Fatherly kind हो गया, courteous हो गया, ठीक है, सब एक जैसे ही वर्ड्स हैं। Chips's voice had a good deal of sprightliness. Sprightliness means liveliness, जान थी उसमें। The autumn gales rattling the window. Gales, autumn gales mean winds. Gales का मतलब हवाएं। I am only the man who has a vivid recollection. Vivid means clear, वाज़े। डीजी खान फैसलाबाद और मुल्तान में आ चुका है। A chubby little fellow made a brilliant century. Chubby means fat or plump. The boys looked like ruffians. Ruffians means rascals, बदमाश, ठीक है, और रावलपिंडी 17 रावलपिंडी 18 दोनों में आ चुका है। It was a queer thing, queer that the things were so clear in Chips's memory. Queer means surprising, odd, strange. Chips remained ragged at Melbury. Ragged, anxious and tired, ठीक है, परेशान। He had been there for more than a decade. Decade means 10 years, 10 वर्ष, और ये लाहौर गुजरांवाला साहिवाल बहावलपुर में आ चुका है। He was taken to the great exhibition as a toddling child. Toddling means small, छोटा बच्चा। Chips remembered that the first tremendous ordeal, ordeal means hardship, मुश्किल। Number 21. The boy seemed to be ready to pounce on him. Pounce का मतलब to jump or to attack on him. Goodbye Mr. Chips. Lesson number 2. Chapter number 2. इसके MCQs. Some snobbish people said that they thought they had heard of Brookfield. Snobbish का मतलब arrogant, मगरूर किस्म के लोग। Chips was not boastful or conceited. Boastful means proud, maghrur. Brookfield turned out many manufacturers. Manufacturers means producers. Sometimes Brookfield dwindled to non-existence. Dwindled means declined. नीचे गिर जाता था। AJK और साहिवाल में आ चुका है 2016 और 2019 में। Across the road behind a rampart. Rampart means coverage. दीवार, ठीक है, दीवार की सेंस में आता है coverage. The epilogue was to come still. Epilogue means conclusion, ठीक है, वो चीज़ जो कि एंड पे आती है, आखिर पे आती है, और ये डीजी खान और रावलपिंडी में आ चुका है। He realized the inadequacy of his qualifications. Inadequacy means not having enough or deficiency. His discipline was not absolutely reliable. Reliable means dependable. Kable एतबार. His dream had been to get a headship eventually. Eventually means finally. आखिरकार. Brookfield looked russet under the autumn mantle of creeper. Mantle covering. Chips had no private means. Means मतलब sources. Zarai. At 50 he was the Dion of the staff. Dion means chief of the staff. Across the road behind a rampart of ancient elms. Ancient means old. So that is end of lesson number 2 of Goodbye Mr. Chips. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching the video.